While large and small businesses in western Montana are reeling with the rapid onset of impacts from the coronavirus pandemic, Missoula City-County Health officials are urging business owners and managers to develop their own specific response plans. In some cases, such as with today's order closing bars and putting limits on restaurant service starting tomorrow, the health department is taking a more direct role in limiting gatherings of people as a precaution. But in all cases, the advice is to develop a voluntary approach for all types of business.
But it would be good to sit down and formulate a plan to say, okay, what are we going to do if we do have large numbers of employees who are out sick? Do we have a way to, pull another employer pool?
At Sunday's press conference, health department leaders acknowledged not everyone can do work at home, but even in cases where people must come into a business, precautions should be taken.
If you have the ability to help your staff practice social distancing by, working from home, especially if they're in those higher risk age groups, we are definitely encouraging that staff that employers really think about that, because those are some of the ways that we're going to slow the spread.
And stopping the spread is what the precautions are all about. But there's a three-way tug-of-war between trying to keep a business functional, workers who need to make a living, and keeping everyone healthy. Difficult decisions will have to be made.
We know that we're not going to stop this from coming to Missoula County. That's why it's called a pandemic. It is spreading, and the best thing that we can do is try to slow the spread so that we can flatten the curve so that we're not overtaxing our healthcare system and overtaxing our economy in a time like this.
If we're getting a great response from voluntary and initiative, we are watching that, and we'll see who and in what arenas we may need to do more.
The Missoula Downtown Association says a decision to close is up to every business, but they're making several recommendations, including limiting hours of operation, canceling larger events, eliminating cash transactions, and reducing the number of customers indoors at the same time.